Halia Democratic Alliance 2.0 hapok ke jingelam ke NPP bandon ke Snem od Kyrteng ban Pyntreikam ke roster system ban kok ngu ke jing ptha ke yang bishar Meghalaya High Court u chairman ke internal committee ke BJP ke bapet ke roster system u ba HM Shangplyang henen ke sngi ulaya thu hakinong tho khubor baga sengkam shim ong ban Pyntreikam ke roster system Henry ke Sorkar jala lani ke yang dorba thau an kan rai ya ke Snem od Kyrteng Haka Jokopor u President ke BJP haka jala uba Ernest Mauri halor ke jingong unong yalam ke BJP uba AL Hek ban penkala nong yalam haka jala ula ong bakani ke jingkan tho kalong na uhi shimet.
I don't think we would like to say which date that the government should go to because it is left best to the wisdom of the government and let the government examine first at its level in its own cabinet and then they will have their party meeting and then we shall discuss at length at that point.
Given by AL Hek, our MLA and Minister today, it is his personal statement. Unless the centre announced the election of the national president, we cannot have election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement.